What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how you can make money from YouTube without ever showing your face. Now it's very simple. I'm going to walk you through the process, kind of explain how people do it, and then you can get started. It's very simple. It's something that so many people are doing right now because they're fine talking on camera. However, they don't want you to see their face. So if that's you, let's go. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. Alright guys, so what I want to show you is how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Now you can see here all these people showing their face, and obviously that's not what you want to do. Now I have a lot of channels where I don't show my face. It's just pictures. I'm not showing you any of my channels because obviously I don't want the competition, but I'm going to show you some ideas, okay? And show you exactly how people do it because it's very simple. So let's, right here in the search, let's type in, best running shoes, okay? So best running shoes. Actually, let's do best running shoes for flat feet, right there. Best running shoes for flat feet. So right there, okay? Now it looks like I actually watched this video before, so my guess is, I've seen some of these. This one right here, is just images. This one, guy's showing his face. This one, probably the guy showing his face. This one, showing their feet. This one, images, so we'll click on that one. This guy's showing his face. This one looks like more images, okay? But let me give you an idea. This one right here, this review products has 5,736 subscribers. It's done 2 years ago, has 23,000 views. And I don't think they're showing their face. This one right here, Review Pro, 521 subscribers, done 1 month ago, 114 views. This one right here, doesn't say how many subscribers, but 18,000 views done a year ago. Okay? Let's look. This one right here. So if we look at this, you can see right here, and they are talking. Okay, they are talking, but they're just images. That's all it is. They're just images, and we go through this entire video, and we're probably just going to see just images of the shoes. Nobody's actually using them. It's not like a comprehensive review. It's just images. That's all it is. Now, how do you go about getting these images? Well, here's what I'd recommend. You can go and, so let's say I just took any pair of shoe. Let's say I want this one right here. Okay, so I'm going to take that. I'm going to copy it. Okay, Control C should be able to copy that for you. Come over to Google. I'm going to paste it in, and I'm going to search. Okay, now I'm going to click on Images. Then I'm going to come over here to Tools and go to Usage Rights, and you select any one of these: labeled for reuse, labeled for reuse with modification, labeled for non-commercial reuse with modification, labeled for non-commercial reuse. So I'm just going to do labeled for reuse. That's it. Okay? Because I'm not going to modify the images at all. I'm going to use them as is. And so then what I do is I come in here and I take these images. Okay? The ones that they're actually letting me use these images. Okay? Now, one of the other things that people do all the time is they just go to Amazon. Okay? So if we go let's see if Amazon's on here somewhere. And you can go to Nike as well and pull some of their images. You go to Amazon. Amazon, I don't think they really care if you take their images. But again, I have no idea. I usually just go to Google and get them, or I pull them off products that I own myself. So if this is the product, I take this one, okay, and I would actually save this one right here, and I would use it inside my video. Now, here's how you do it, and this is the simple thing that most people don't understand. So in order to make your video, okay, because yes, you do have to make a video. This video was not titled How to Make Money on YouTube Without Making a Video. It's titled How to Make Money on YouTube Without Showing Your Face. I've shown you how to do it, okay? I've shown you example right here. People just putting images together. There's another one right here, okay, where a guy's just probably putting images together, okay? Very simple. That's all it is. They're zooming in and out of images, sliding images left and right. Okay, very basic. Now, here's what you do. You go and you get a bunch of images, right? So let's say this is our little timeline. You got image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4, image 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, whatever, okay? Have all these images right here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, let's say 12 is your last one. Let's say this is 0, and this whole video lasts, let's say, 2 minutes and 18 seconds. That means you got 2 minutes and 18 seconds to try to explain why one of these shoes is the best running shoe for flat feet, which I think you can do. So all you need is, let's say, 12 images, okay? 12 images, they're going to be up there for not very long, and you're just going to slide them left and right, just like they're doing here. Okay, it's just a picture of the shoes, somebody's wearing them, and they just pan the camera down. And it's all stuff you can do with Camtasia, you can do it with Adobe Premiere Pro, you can do it with, there's so many different software out there you can use. Just go and pick one, and then stick with it, and just change it like that, okay? You're just switching the images, that's all you're doing, zooming in and out, and just changing it little by little, okay? That's all we're doing here. Okay, and that's all I do. On a lot of my channels, I'm just doing this exact same thing. I usually have less than 20 images. Normally I have right about 10, and my videos last anywhere between probably 3 minutes to about 6 minutes. That's it. Okay, so my sweet spot is 3 minutes to 6 minutes. Okay, the majority of my videos are probably about 5 minutes long. Okay, 5 minutes or higher. And the 3 minute long videos this way, okay, the ones that are shorter, it's usually things like top 5. It's not top 10. It would be very difficult to get a top 10 video with it within under 3 minutes and have just 12 images. You need more images than that, okay? So that's why I highly recommend go over to Google, just like I showed you, okay? Go to Google, you put in the name, click on images, go over to tools, click usage rights, and go to labeled for reuse, okay? Or labeled for reuse with modification. Or what you can do is go find images that somebody else has. You can go to there's so many different sites out there that you can pay a monthly membership or a yearly membership and get access to unlimited images. And so if you were to do something like this, and instead of just having this shoe, maybe you throw in a video from was it like Video Scribe? I don't remember what it's called, but there's so many different ones out there. You throw in a little video of somebody running, okay? So you get the usage rights to throw in a video instead of just seeing that shoe. Now you see the shoe, plus once that swipes over, like this one's coming in over here on this left, right here, maybe instead of putting this one up, you have somebody running in a shoe that looks similar to one of those, okay? It's that simple, and that's why I highly recommend this business to anybody, because it's so simple, so effective, and anybody can do it. All you have to do is go and figure out what you want to create videos on. Now, if you are struggling with that, I'll put a link down below. You can go get my affiliate marketing on YouTube course. Go check it out. Okay, I'll put a link down in the description box below. Go get it. It's going to help you out, help you get traffic, help you create videos, help you come up with ideas, and figure out ways to make money from your channel early on. So if you have any questions on that, just let me know. So you see how simple that is? All you do is go and collect a bunch of different pictures, okay? You put them into a actual timeline. You put them into Premiere Pro or Camtasia or some other type of video editing software. Some of them you can get for free, others are paid. And you put all those images in, and then you just have the camera pan over different ones. It's very simple. You talk over the images. Okay, you can do some different text like I showed you. It's very, very simple. And the best part about it is you can share those videos with your friends, your family, and a lot of times they would never know it's you that's actually creating those. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully this video helps you out, makes you start getting that money from YouTube. Okay, that's the goal. I have been doing YouTube for I don't know how many years, but I absolutely love it. I keep creating new YouTube channels, keep creating new videos. Some of them are doing really well, some are doing not so well, But the goal with my whole YouTube business is to create more and more videos, more and more channels, so eventually I can make more and more money, which you can too. So, like I said, hopefully this video helps you out. If it did, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.